So my queen here, she got me a pair of Versace robe slippers, Versace slippers for the house. So let's open these things up. Let's do a quick review on these. Oh, I'm excited about these. They look so comfortable. So there we go. Here's the packaging. They come in the Versace logo. Very, very, very plush. Very plush. You have your tag in the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. You have your design. I think that's the Medusa, I believe. Not quite sure, but I think that's the Medusa design. Pretty sure you guys will correct me in the comment section. This is my first Versace item. So as I mentioned before, accidentally and incorrectly, I said that's the only Versace I had, which I was wrong because I forgot I had a couple pair of sunglasses. One pair is in the car. That's why this box is empty. The other pair is right here. I don't think I showed you guys these. But out here in Arizona, like, shades are mandatory. You know, once we can go outside again, the sun is beaming already. We're already at the triple digits. These right here. These are a pair of my Versace shades in red. So I figured I'd show you guys that. So I do have a couple items of Versace. But that ain't why you guys came to this video. You guys came to this video because you guys want to see these. And now that we got them open, we're gonna do the on foot portion. So with that being said, stay tuned for the on foot, which is coming up in 5, 4, 3, 2, extremely comfortable. I'll definitely be wearing them without socks. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, look at that. It's a lot of padding there, huh? A lot of padding. These are the tags that come with it. The sizing is a little weird. This is a size large. Like I said, they only come in small, medium, and large. But it's a perfect fit for me. But I think I definitely gotta wear these with no socks to get the full effect. Cause you see that bed right there. Oh my goodness. That's like heaven. Look how comfortable that looks. And trust me, it feels just as good as it looks. So yeah, I'm gonna give these slides a 10 out of 10. They fly looking and they're comfortable. These will definitely never see outside. Okay, so this came in the package with it, just so you guys know. That's the UPC, the style code, and the slippers was $125. So if you're interested, I recommend these. That's some great house slippers. But yeah, this is what came with it. There you go. You can read at your own leisure. But yeah, these things are dope. I recommend them. 10 out of 10. Go get you a pair. Also, hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos. As well as give this video a big thumbs up. Greatly appreciate you guys. Thank you for tuning in to Rituals. And y'all have an awesome day.